Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to shift between different Excel files freely and easily. So friends, if you are working on some different spreadsheet on Excel, so it's hard to shift and it's annoying because if you type in wrong file, so sometimes it can ruin your whole project. So there is very quick and easy method to shift between different file. Just you need to press Ctrl plus Tab. That's it. You see here we are changing and shift the different file very quickly. So press Ctrl plus Tab. So press Ctrl plus Tab like this. So you can shift very easily by pressing Ctrl plus Tab. So that's it friends. By this easy and very simple method, you can shift between different Excel files freely. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel for latest update.